Komanus Ahad.
Today, it's the second day of the Advent calendar, and it's random lift tour time. Today we're going to Pacific Pace Mall in Gooper City. This is a take of it after I've done an EveryLift in here back in 2019. Then I guess tomorrow I'll do the Bunty one. If you're wondering why I'm using the map I used in the 2019 EveryLift, it's because I wasn't asked to make another map for this random lift tour and EveryLift or whatever it is. Anyways, first of all is to go from car park 3, car park 2, car park 1, lower ground and floors 1 to set 7. On floor 7 there's the cinema, and lower ground scaffold park, and then ground to 6 are just not normal shops. Anyways, this isn't but bunch lit. These are quite similar to American Otis Series 4 or Gen 2. Probably early Gen 2 in America, I guess. And now inside, the Resource Incorporated department store. The list here is just the same as the last one, so instead of being a set of 6, these are instead in a set of 4. These go from all shopping centre floors and lower ground to 6, then car parks 1 to 3, and these also go down to a spooky car park 4, which has been derelict for years. Despite that this shopping centre is quite modern, since many people don't come to this shopping centre, this car park is quite derelict.